Crude oil yielded first red candle after staying bullish for multiple weeks in series, and I warned you of this that there is a possible drop is coming for crude oil and we can treat this as a reversal. Now, does it mean that it is going to continue with the downtrend? Does it mean that it is going to stay bearish from here? Which position you should take trading crude oil WTI next week? We will see with the help of charts first, followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the complete summary of the observations, and also I will give you the levels in writing so that you can trade as per the level. So do watch till the end. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Your every action means to me a lot. It inspires me to deliver day on day, every day, twice a day. I deliver the crude oil analysis with the best of my abilities. So do press the bell icon as well so that you can stay tuned with the latest updates, and you can be part of my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates as well. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. With that, let's start. Now on the weekly charts, before I come to the weekly charts, you can look at the daily charts. Let's start with the daily charts here. See, we know that oil was trading in this bearish channel for long, and last few weeks it has breached this channel and stayed bullish. Also, if you note that 78, 79 is a great support zone. We have discussed this several times that these are very strong support levels for crude oil here on the downside. Now, what has happened last week? It has dropped till towards 78.5, 78.6. You can see these are the preceding lows here. You can find out. And also, if you note here, you will find higher lows are seen here. So it has taken the support levels here and has seen a strong recovery. But remember, this time if it breaks below 79, it is not going to stay. It is not going to bounce back below 79 this time. We are going to look forward to a drop, and this time the next support levels are sitting at around 77 and then 75 levels. So these are the stronger support levels here. Then the second point to note here, see, if you draw a parallel here, first of all, this was the steep bullish channel here. It has breached this channel. It has come out of this channel. Now you should note a second gradual levels here. You can find out these lows here. You can observe. You can find out it is trading in this channel as well. Now, if you draw a parallel here on the daily charts, you will find out this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. And precisely it has achieved the bottom and tried to reverse. So this is a very important level here. Now any move below 79 and 78 levels is where the bears will try to take over, and we can see a very good drop in oil which might take it till towards 77, 74 levels. 74, which was the earlier resistance, is now going to be a great support here. So first is what you can look at 77, then at 74. So yes, a possible retracement cannot be denied. However, there are great supports here. Now, if you look at just last two trading sessions, you will find, see, lower highs, higher lows, and then this reversal here. So another bullish candle it is tried to show. However, remember, it is still in the near term, it is still in the bearish channel. I will wait for it to break past 82.6 levels in order to confirm a reversal. If and only if you see oil staying beyond 82.6 is where you should treat this for a reversal. Remember this point. Once again, I am reiterating. If and only if you see oil staying above 82 and 82.6, you should consider that for a reversal, and beyond that we are going to look at higher highs again. It is going to break past 85 and 88 levels, else we may see it retracing a little on the downside before continuing the upward journey from the next month. So this is what something you should observe. And now let's have a look at the weekly. Now see, on the weekly charts, lower highs, lower lows are seen. Now on the upside, 82, 82.6 are greater resistances. On the downside, 78 is a great support. Another point to note here is, see, the body size is less than half of the complete candle size, which suggests that the prices do not, that the bears do not want to stay, prices do not want to stay in a bearish note, and that is why we can see a pullback and a stronger recovery here. At this, because see, the body size has to be at least half the complete move, and this is slightly close up notch above, because see, 80.6 is the 50% level here, and it is just close a notch above these levels. But still you can take this as 50%. And yes, if it stays lower, if it opens lower, now stays below 80.4, you can expect that we are going to look at 80. 80 is now first important support, then 79 the second important support, and ultimately we can see it, because below 79 if it stays, it is going to yield a sharper red candle which may take it till towards 79. We have to be extremely watchful, careful. If it opens flat, stays lower, just short, just sell at 80.4 levels itself, and then expect it to continue with the downward move. On the upside, first resistance it is going to get at 81, then 82, and then 82.6. Three critical resistances. If it is passes by these levels, certainly we can say that it is reversing. Else, it is not going to reverse. See, you have seen enough greenery here. It must give you an opportunity to at least see the red side of it. So possibly we may see a bearish candle here. Now coming to the month, on the monthly charts, you can note point here. See, first of all, the previous month's closing was at around 81.4, 81.5 levels, and from there it has achieved close to 84.5. $3 move it is achieved, and from 81.5 to 78 is what the $3 level. So in fact it can just stay between 78.5 to 81.5. It can just swing in between this and close the month at around this level, because see, this is precisely the symmetrical move here. It has achieved the high at 84.5, it has achieved the drop at 78.5, and now trying to come back till towards the closer or opening levels of 81 points. Now this is also suggestive of that possibly the next monthly candle can be equally big, because see, the preceding candle was so big that now this time it has to stay or develop a sideways candle so that the next candle can be equally big here and achieve higher levels at 1992. So as again and again we have discussed, 78-79 zone is definitely a very strong support levels, and then ultimately 77. These levels are going to play out a very critical role in oil's movement for next forthcoming weeks. Now also one must note that the bottom, see, if it is trying to trade in this, the bottom on the monthly charts is somewhere here, which is far below levels. We have to be careful. Any drop below 77 levels is where more bears will take over, then 74 and 72 will be seen. But these are markets. Yes, anything and everything is possible. You should be cautious at around these levels. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? Indicators on the monthly chart, it is trading above the 20, 50, 100 period moving average. In fact, 200 period moving average is very far below. It is staying bullish here, and the 20 months average giving it a support here at around 79 levels. Very important. Stochastic is looking forward to an up move here. It may try to enter into overbought zone. The MACD is also, see, after staying bearish for long, now it is willing to converge. And also let me show you something on monthly charts. First wave, second wave is complete, and it is now willing to converge crossover for a third bullish move, which suggests that oil prices might remain high or elevated in the forthcoming months. RSI is also dropped here, trying to rise and recover. Now coming to the weekly, if you look at the weekly charts, the 20-50 period moving average is crossed over here. Now 20 period moving average looking upwards. Also note why these levels are important. You can find out 50 and 100 weeks average sitting precisely at around 78.4, 78.6 level, and below that the 20 period moving average is far below at around 77 levels here. So these are definitely great support levels. Moving averages have started to look upwards, suggestive that possibly we may see a crossover and the oil might enter into a bullish regime. Now, see, this is why we said that there could be a possible drop. Stochastic was extremely overbought. Now it has seen a first red candle here. It can continue its downward move till towards this zone, and hence we may see yielding a red candle on oil again. Look at MACD. See, MACD diverged here, though there is lot much of scope. Now remember, oil has seen a sharp slump here. Now it has seen a good recovery, but it is still got lot much of room on the upside for it to continue on the upward side. And that is why we can see this is just a retracement, not a reversal. Even if it tries to drop till towards 74, 72 levels, possibility for it to continue with the upward move still exists. We have seen that on the monthly charts as well. RSI looking downwards, and hence this is still in the retracement zone, not a reversal. Coming to the day, on the daily chart, see, prices were divergent from the moving average. It was taking the support for the first time. It has dropped below the 20 period moving average, and if you look at the 50 and 100 are far below at 78 and 76. In fact, 200 is also lying at 77. So this is definitely a great support zone. These are exponential moving average, and are a definitely great support. Right now it is again closed the week above the 20 days exponential moving average, which is a bullish sign. Stochastic was oversold and hence it is trying to recover. Yes, it can continue to recover a bit till towards 82 levels. Possibility is there, but then again, it may follow with a drop. Now, why there is a greener candle? You can see fat belly here, which suggests that oil might retrace for a couple of days for the coming week. It can try to retrace initially. Even if it tries to retrace, remember it has got lot much of downside. Now this I showed you multiple times in my daily weekly analysis as well. See this crossover, it is seen a sharp slump. This crossover, it is seeing a sharp slump. But here the belly is fattened a bit, so it is trying to converge a bit, and hence a couple of days it may try to retrace. It can try to narrow it a bit and then continue resume its downward journey here. Yes, it has still got lot much of room on the downside, so possibly for next couple of weeks we have to stay alert, or in fact for next few weeks we have to stay alert. We have to be watchful here. Possibility of it to resume its downturn or continue its downturn till towards 74 and just before it looks forward to an upward move. RSI is also dropped a bit. It is trying to recover. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy and summarize the observation as well, so that you can trade profitably and you can get a glimpse of what we have seen so far. Before I give you the levels, I have a couple of offerings for you. First is my mentorship batch. 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. That is a 25th batch. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies so that you can also analyze with equal efficiency and find out profitable trades. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. We are trading as per the signals. You can definitely benefit. Now, first is where to buy. We all know that there is a resistance at 81 and hence we have to observe at 81 how it behaves. Beyond this, you can buy 81.4 and 82. Now this completely is a great resistance zone, and then ultimately 82.6. If and only if you see oil staying above 86, you can treat that it is not going to look back. It is bullish and it is going to continue with the bull run. You can just stay long. We are looking at 84 and then 86 and then 88 levels in the coming future, and this is going to get achieved very soon. Chances are less that it is going to continue the bull run. I will expect 70% chances for it to stay bearish till the time it respects, as long as it respects 82.6 levels. On the downside, where to sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 80.4 levels. Expect 80 as the first and very strong support levels, then 79.5 and then 79. Now 79 is a very good support level for next week. Below this there will be almost 80% bearishness here, and then we can look forward to 78.5, 78. Below 78 is 100% bearishness, but the chances of recovery will also increase. However, 78 is a great support. Then 77 is the ultimate support here. This is something, this milestone you should watch out for. Below 77 is where more bears will take over. You can expect it to continue its fall, and then this complete journey till 74 will be taken care in the next few sessions from here. We have to be careful here. It is resuming its downtrend. Possibly it can continue with it a little. However, on the monthly charts, if it has to stay bullish for next month, it may try to limit its down move. It may try to limit its down move till towards 78, 77 and show possible recovery. So take your positions here. For the next week, we expect it to give a little rise in the initially and then continue, followed with a drop towards from the midweek and towards the end. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join the Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do watch the daily updates for more detailed analysis and critical levels on the day-to-day trading levels. So, thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.